Introducing Rainmax Rainwater Harvesting Filters. Are your borewells dry? Are you spending money on paying for water tankers? Did you know that your house alone can provide 75,000 litres of clean water for your domestic needs? Yes. If your rooftop has an area of 1,000 square feet and there is 75 centimeters of rainfall in a year, your rooftop collects 75,000 litres of water, which drains away and is completely wasted. Instead, you can save this water with Rooftop Rainwater Harvesting. Rainwater from the rooftop, along with leaves and debris, flows through the filter. The cleaned water then enters the underground storage tank and can be used for all your domestic needs. The excess water passes from the storage tank and recharges your dead borewells for future use. Rainmax brings you the most effective and easy to use solution for rainwater harvesting. The Rainmax Rainwater Harvesting Filter carries out a two-stage filtration process through a fine 200 micron stainless steel 304 mesh and its unique first flush system, effectively removing dust, leaves, contaminants and other debris. Rainwater from the rooftop passes through downtake pipes, enters the filter chamber and filters through the mesh. Around 5 to 10% of this water, along with leaves and debris, empties out through the wastewater outlet. The remaining water enters into the first flush system, where initial turbid rainwater is trapped below the float ball and drained through the ball valve. Clean water then enters into the storage tank through the clean water outlet. Reach out to Rainmax today and solve your water problems for the future.